Hi everyone, Martina's here, and today we're going to work on stop overthinking. Step number 1, tap with your hands on the left and right hemisphere of the brain, masculine and feminine energy to balance. As well, you can use both hands at the same time. Number 2, we're going to stick the tongue out with Kali Mudra as much as possible in order to open the root chakra and allow the energy to flow upward. Step 3, close your eyes, roll them upward and look into the crown chakra. This will help you to detach from any sticky thoughts. Number 4, we're going to do a full Kali Mudra, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out all the blockages through the mouth. Number 5, we're going to apply them all together at the same time. So let's give it a go. Take a deep inhale and start tapping left and right of your hemisphere of the brain, exhaling with Kali Mudra any thoughts that are keeping you stuck in the past or in the future. Remembering that you are not your mind, you're not your emotions, so you can allow them to come out through your mouth as a dark smoke. Soften your whole muscles, allow and surrender. 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Release, hit your thighs, soften your body, and become the observer of your thoughts level. You can repeat this exercise anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much for watching me. I wish you a beautiful present day. Hari Om Tat Sat.